Last example is 2/3 divided by 2/5. Now, in this example, it's going to be really tempting to go ahead and divide straight across because we see that our numerators are the same. However, numerators being the same doesn't really help us because it doesn't get that 1 in the denominator so that we can just set up a fraction or divide normally. We want the 1 or the denominators to be the same. And in this situation, the denominators are not the same. We have a 3 and a 5. So I'm going to go ahead and go on with my quest to find common denominators. So 2/3 and 2/5. Going to go ahead and set that up to skip count. So here are my little fraction bars. And let's go ahead and skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, and I'm looking at that bottom number again because the bottom number is the denominator. And when I look at that, I see that I have 15s in common. I have 10 over 15 and I have 6 over 15. So since 2/3 is equivalent to 10 over 15, 2/3 is going to change into that 10 over 15. 2/5 is equivalent to 6 over 15. So 2/5 is going to change into 6 over 15. And I'm going to go ahead and divide. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. And in the numerator, I just have 10 over 6, or 10 divided by 6. 10 divided by 6 just becomes 10 over 6. And 10 over 6 can be broken up into, since that is an improper fraction, we're going to go ahead and change it into a mixed number. Now, some of y'all have expressed that the way that I've explained changing an improper fraction to a mixed number has been confusing. So let me try it this way. This is the way that Khan Academy explains it. 10/6 just tells me that 1/6 has been added 10 times, which means that I should be able to split up and have 6/6, which is equal to 1 whole, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So I can break that up into 6/6 and 4/6. Now, since 6 over 6 is equal to 1, that tells me that my mixed number is going to be 1 and 4/6. Or you could take this one step further and simplify 4/6 to get 1 and 2/3. If you do want to go ahead and see it the division way, I'll go ahead and set that up. 6 goes on the outside and 10 goes on the inside. 6 goes into 1 0 times. 6 goes into 10 1 time. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract 10 minus 6 is 4. It's fraction division, so I'm going to go ahead and stop. And starting at the top, I'm going to do my washing machine. 1 and 4 over 6, which is written as 1 and 4 over 6, which, like I said earlier, I can simplify to get 1 and 2/3. And that's it.